Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Welcome, Mask Monday, ladies. And it is another week gone by, but we have another week ahead of us. Pretty exciting. Today, I want to share with you my Yensa Pumpkin Turmeric Mask. And it's just perfect for October. It's pumpkin month, so why not, right? So if you're interested, please do stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. As I was saying, I am really looking forward to this Yensa Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 mask. And, I haven't used it a lot, but I have used it several times, and I remember I really like it. And I'll tell you a little bit about it before I start this, but let's just go ahead and do a little bit of gratitude. It's affirmation time, and it is Monday, so I do like doing the gratitude, starting a week and cultivating a grateful heart. Okay, and also I will have a little bit of a I guess not a surprise but a reveal for the Sunday giveaway, right? And so I think I owe you guys that. So yep, and I will do that after the mask. But let's just get started now, and let's see, what do we have today? Okay, here we go. And this is a Native American saying. Oh, that's good. Hey, you know what? That is, this should have been in November, right? Because for Thanksgiving, it would have been perfect. But here it is. But it's got the color of pumpkin, so I like it. So it says, give thanks for unknown blessings already on their way. It's a Native American saying, huh? Give thanks for unknown blessings already on their way. And this is so very important because a lot of times we kind of like wait until something comes at us and then we have something. And then after the fact, we say, well, thank you for, giving me that, or thank you for answering my prayers, or thank you for allowing me to experience that, or whatever it may be. But how about those things that there's something good that's headed your way, okay? Because it's just that way. I mean, it can't be only bad things, and bad things are always a bad thing. I mean, it might be a lesson in disguise, right? Or a blessing in disguise. So always give thanks to things you don't know that's coming, because it's coming down the pike. And you know what? That actually makes me happy, and it makes me look forward to my day, because I think to myself, you know what? I wonder if that thing is coming today, what's unknown. It's really exciting, and I love surprises, right? And so I'm always looking for that. And I am blessed. I know I'm blessed, and I know that as long as I can go on every day and I can recreate my life every single day and control the things that I can, I know I'm blessed. And yet we're given more than that. And so I do think for the things that I don't really know. And I actually add that in one of my prayers, actually. And, we pray 5 times a day. And we have a standard way that we pray, actually. They're done by what's in the Quran. But we do have the opportunity of making our own blessings. We call it dua. And one of the things I do say is, I thank you for what you have not yet given me, but it will be given to me. And those are the things that, you really should think about. And that way it makes you look forward to things, right? And you don't know when it's coming, but when it does, you're like, wow, I knew something good was coming my way. So that actually sets you up for future positivity, right? In that moment. So yeah, I can see why Native American saying says this. They were very spiritual people, right? Or they are spiritual people. So it says, give thanks for unknown blessings already on their way. Okay, there it is. Great card. Okie dokie. And so today, as I was saying, aside from the fact that I want to reveal the Sunday giveaway, I would also like to do the mask. And let me tell you what it says about it. Okay, it says the superfood cosmetic, powered by 8 super orange essence, nourishing mask and face polish in one, hydrates to leave skin smooth, supple, and radiant, pumpkin boosts collagen, and turmeric soothes skin. And it is the ritual. Smooth a thin layer on clean, damp skin for 5 to 10 minutes. Gently massage in circular motions with warm water and then clean and rinse. And use 3 to 4 times a week. Okay, so 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, I'll do 10 minutes. And so hold on 1 minute, okay? I'll be right back. I need to get something to spread so that way, because it's dry right now. Hold on. Okay, guys, I'm back. I did wash my face and tone it, but of course, in the time that I'm sitting here talking to you, it did get dry. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Dermatology Neutralizing Toner. And, okay, whew. This stuff is really, it's nice. And not only that, it's like tingly, and I like that. So, okie dokie, let's start with the mask. And I'm going to go ahead and set the timer for 10 minutes, ready to, I'm just going to set it there for now. And then I'll push the button as soon as it's on. So I'm going to go ahead and use my little doohickey here. This is the, what is it, a mask paddle? Okay. And I know Rhonda Stuthers, she kept saying, well, why don't you just use your mask paddle? I'm like, I didn't think of that, because the only reason why I was going to use it is so I don't dip into the jars. But being that, oh, wow. I love the smell of this. Kind of smells like pumpkin latte, you know? So, yeah, I like it. It says thin layer, so, okay, I guess I don't know what thin layer means. So I'm just going to go ahead, and I'm using my computer, actually, to look at myself here, because I don't have a mirror here, of course. And I want to make sure I get it under. Okay, a little more. And, wow, this is really, this is nice, actually. And I can see how it would revitalize, because, it's nice and creamy, and I want to make sure I get this part of it. I miss that part usually. Okay. Alrighty. Now, what I'm going to do is, while I stop my timer for 10 minutes, okay? And I'm going to sit here and wait, but I'm going to go ahead and insert the video for the winner pick, okay? So here we go. Okay, here we are, my beautiful wildflowers. This is the giveaway for the October 8th secret giveaway, which was for the Sunday Brunch palette and a couple of other things. Of course, I did go ahead and copy and paste the URL here, and then I chose to filter duplicate users so everybody has a fair chance of one entry. And I'm gonna go ahead and filter comments based on the specific text that I gave you, which was Sunday. And let's see how many people did enter the giveaway. And let's see. Okay, there are 45 unique comments with the word Sunday. So let's see if we can go ahead and choose a winner. And let's start. Okay, it says Becca Curls. Congrats to the winner. That's because we had another giveaway at the time. I always love taking a walk on Sunday, so relaxing. And so, okay, and let's see if she is, in fact, subscribed to me publicly. And you guys know that is our rules. And here we go, channels. And let's see how much I will have to go through here. And if I can't find her this way, you guys know I go the extra step and I do look in the actual comments. But no need, because here I am and she is subscribed to me publicly. And so, Becca Curls, reach out to me, please. And you can do that by emailing me. And my email address is at the bottom of the details. Or you can DM me on Instagram. But I will go ahead and give you a little more details. And so back to regular programming. Okay, welcome back and congratulations, Becca Curls. and you are the winner. And so what I need you to do is I said kind of quickly in the clip that I need you to reach out to me, and you can find my email address at the end of each details of my videos, or you can reach out to me on Instagram, which is Haute, Haute.modesty, MODESTY. But please do get in touch with me within 48 hours to let me know that you watched the video and you know that you are the winner. And also, please let me know where you want me to ship this stuff, okay? Okay, so my beautiful wildflowers, I'm going to go ahead and come off the camera and quickly take this off and then come back and tell you what I think about this mask. I'll be right back. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I'm back and I'm going to tell you what I think about this Yensa Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance and Polishing Mask. To be honest with you, I really like the way it goes on. It feels so nice. And then I leave it on for 10 minutes. And then, but what I'm supposed to do is, as it says, gently massage in circular motions with warm water, then rinse clean. And the reason why you do that is there is a little bit of element of grittiness in here, and it's kind of like sandy. And so what that does is that's the polishing portion of it where it mechanically exfoliates. And I don't like doing that because it could cause micro cuts on your face. You may not be able to see, but they're there. And so I don't exfoliate in that way. So what I simply do to avoid that is I just get the warm water and start splashing and loosening the mask and then, you know, cleaning it off. But I don't go in and exfoliate. And if you do, I mean, it's up to you, but I don't do that part because I don't need that part. And if I did that, my skin would be a little bit drier than normal. And so I try to avoid that piece of it. But I do love the way this feels. I love the way it's tackiness and it stays on your face. And I do believe that it does, you know, create radiance. And what I do afterwards, after I rinse it, because it is a little drying, I'm going to be honest, okay? If you have dry skin, it's going to be drying. And so you need to quickly throw on a little bit of a moisturizing toner and then put your lotion on. And then after that, what I do is I wait a few minutes until it's absorbed, maybe 10-15 minutes, then I'll go ahead and put on my sunscreen on top of that. But yeah, I mean, not bad, not bad. And so, and I did get this a while ago in my BoxyCharm, I think, yeah. And so, yeah, and like I said, I've used it several times and I like it, but I do avoid that one step of exfoliating, okay? Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers, tell me what you think. I mean, have you tried this and what do you think about it? Yeah, and also, just let me know if there's a certain mask that you're interested in me trying because I have tons of sheet masks, but I really do like these type of replenishing and refreshing masks at times as well. So, okay? Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or good weekend. Whenever you're watching this, it does not matter. But what does matter is in the field of roses, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.